So today's our topic is classroom English. Okay. So in the previous class also we have discussed the phrases or expressions how uses your lecturer. So in this today's class also we'll discuss some more expressions which uses by our lecturer in the class. So what will happen after completion of this lesson? On completing of this lesson you will be able to use classroom expressions meaningfully. What will happen? You can understand what kind of sentences or phrases we can use in the class after completion of this lesson. Expressions used by the teachers. Expressions used by the teachers. Who knows the answer? Copy this in your books. So these expressions are used by the teacher or lecturer in the class. So what kind of expressions or what kind of sentences we use generally in the class? So today we will try to know the sentences or expressions which uses by our lecturer in the class. Okay, now let us see some more expressions how teacher uses. Okay, say it again. Say it again. Who will use this sentence in the class? So lecturer use this sentence in the class. Okay, and read the whole sentence. Read the whole sentence. It is also an expression. Your teacher will ask you when if he is teaching about the reading skills, he will ask read the whole sentence. Read the whole sentence. Like that he asks, who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Okay, so let us see how a lecturer uses expressions in the class. What is that? Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? Who will use this sentence in the class? Student or lecturer? Lecturer will ask this question. Who will know the answer? After delivering a lecture for 40 to 50 minutes, your lecturer will ask you question like that. Who knows the answer? What is this? This is question. So here are can you find what is missing here? Can you find what is missing here? Who will use this sentence in the class? Yes, your lecturer will use this sentence in the class. Can you find what is missing here? Can you find what is missing here? This also used by your teacher. Will you complete it in 5 minutes? Who will use this sentence? This sentence also used by your lecturer or will use or using. What is that? Will you complete it in 5 minutes? Will you complete it in 5 minutes? Don't have a discussion. Don't have a discussion. If the students are making noise, if the students are taking help from others, when the lecturer gives you the task or any other work, at that time your lecturer will use this sentence. What is that? Don't have a discussion. Don't have a discussion. I think it is your turn now. I think it is your turn now. When your lecturer is giving you task to complete some work, at the time he uses this sentence. What is that? I think it is your turn now. And here is another sentence. Start now without wasting time. Start now without wasting time. All the students I have given you the task. You have to complete this task within the 10 minutes. At the time your lecturer will use the sentence. What is that? Start now without wasting time. Start now without wasting time. We'll use this sentence. Student or lecturer? Lecturer will use this sentence. Okay. And here also see given. Who knows the answer? So you see I have given this on the screen. Who knows the answer? When your lecturer wants to know how many students know the answer, at that time your lecturer will ask this question. What is that? Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer? What is this? This is question. Who knows the answer? And here is another sentence also. Copy this in your books. Copy this in your books. If your lecturer, when he wants to tell an important thing, at the time he may ask or he may order or he may request you to note down the important points in your workbook or textbook or notebook. At that time your lecturer will ask this. What is that? Copy this in your textbooks. My dear students, copy this in your textbooks. Okay. And let us discuss some more expressions which is used by the teacher in the class. Can you find what is missing here? Can you find what is missing here? Who will use this? This is used by your teacher. Can you find what is missing here? So what is this? Here we are using can. What is can? Can is an helping word. Can tells about our present capacity, present ability, present capacity. Okay? For example, I will give you some example here. Okay? I can walk, I can swim, I can talk, I can speak, I can jump into the water. What is it? Can means present capacity. Okay? I can walk 5 kilometers a day. What it means? I have capacity to walk for 5 kilometers a day. I could walk 10 kilometers a day when I was in SSC. I could walk 10 kilometers a day when I was in SSC. Could is used to express our past capacity. So here you see the sentence. Can you find what is missing here? Who will use this sentence? This sentence is used by the teacher in the class. Okay. Now let us see another sentence which is used by the teacher in the class. Will you complete it in 5 minutes? My dear students, I have given you task. Will you complete this task within the 5 minutes? So this sentence also used by the teacher in the class. Okay. Let us see some of the expressions used by the teacher. Who is your partner? Srinu, who is your partner for this pair work? Or Pinky, who is your partner to complete this pair work? So like this, when your lecturer will give any task, any pair work or group, at the time he may use this sentence. What is that? Start now without wasting time. Start now without wasting time. Okay. So I think that you have got a little bit of knowledge from this topic. This is enough for today. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic. Till then, have a nice day.